news, gather round quick. Auntie breaking down the truth real slick. Cases they hide, stories they miss. Auntie shine light on all of this. Real talk, facts on the table. Justice for the ones who ain't able. If the world stay quiet, Auntie gon' speak. Truth come alive every single week. Auntie, tell us what they don't say. We bring the truth your way. Tell us what they don't say. We bring the truth your way. True crime with Auntie.
Hey, everybody. Hey, guys. Yes, honey, we went at pink, honey. How's everybody doing? I see we got a full house. Hey, Miss Shonda, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Like and also, this video, this live is monetized, so y'all make sure y'all send them super chats, honey. They got rumors out saying that we broke over here and all of that. They say we broke and ain't getting no super chats and stuff. I'm telling you, that's what they saying.
Coins ain't corny, girl. They say the coins ain't corny, girl. I don't
say that roll weekends is broke, honey. Who is they talking about? Not us. But anyway, we wearing pink tonight, right? Because we got some good news. Yes. We got good news. Hey, Miss Shonda. Hey, Miss Beth. Yes, we got good news today. And I am so happy. Listen, I didn't even know they was going. I've never seen prosecutors fight that hard for a black person. I'm just going to say it like it is.
Listen. What did we talk about? I said it was a possibility.
Yes, you brought that up. You said something about a stay. I didn't even know nothing about no stay. You the one said it. I did not know, y'all. I'm telling you, honey, my
it's not common. Hey, Beth, how you doing? It is not common, but in a case like this, 6 counts. 6 counts.
So, do you think that's why they did this? Because it's so many counts of it, or why do you think the prosecution is going so hard like they're doing? Hey, Philly girl. Hey, soccer freak.
Hey. I think that they're going as hard as they're going because there was so many discrepancies in Ari's filing. We just don't come out and tell the truth, okay?
Yeah.
As much as people want to say, oh, there was a loss. First off, we're going to start off by saying there is no win or loss in this case, okay?
Right.
That's what we're first going to start. We're going to respect the families to say there is no win or loss because 2 young children who will become young men today are losing both their moms.
Yeah, I agree with you.
So we have to say there is no win or loss, okay?
Right.
But if we're going to count the win or loss, okay? If we're going to count the win or loss, Ari has been, she's been fucking up from the beginning, okay?
She's been fucking up from the beginning.
Like it is.
Hey, Virtuous Judah.
Hey. So, a big part of this, with Ari's discrepancies is I'm trying to figure out, because, hey, y'all tell me if I'm wrong, because y'all know I love to say that, because
y'all know we have facts over here and we have open mind. I give y'all the facts, okay? I give y'all the facts, and y'all make the decision, all right?
Make the decision.
So let us know if y'all want to, add something to it. Let us know. We're a family around here. We're the true family.
Yes. So we're gonna first start off by saying, baby, hey,
hey, nephew.
My husband support. Come here. Okay.
Yeah, this my nephew and her husband. I said our husband, child.
Okay. But no, we're gonna first start off by saying that Corday, Ari, her filings. I would like to know, and y'all can correct me, right? Okay. I definitely wanted to ask you about it. When did we go from 7 weeks pregnant on December 4th when they went to court, 7 weeks pregnant, which Ari said in court, 7 weeks pregnant, to her filing her motion saying she was pregnant at the time of the shooting.
Yeah, that's not adding up.
That,
It's
that
not
would
adding
add
up
up,
at
right?
all. Right.
Okay, because we're going from September 8th, right?
Uh-huh.
We're going from September 8th. You got November, you got October, November, December. That's far past 7 weeks.
Far past 7 weeks.
So we all know that she conceived after she unalived Romika.
Yeah, I agree with you. It's not, that's not adding up, guys. It's not. And like you said, Ari's been, making discrepancies in her filings anyway. But I'm thinking, now you tell me if I'm wrong. Do you think that the prosecution is like, she's not pregnant? Why are y'all basing this off of that? Do you think that they are?
I think that is going to come up.
What do you guys think?
What y'all think? Do y'all think she's still pregnant? Because we heard the rumors, right?
I don't think she's pregnant.
I
thought I read that somewhere. Why are we not thinking she's pregnant? Somebody said Key's the one started that rumor. I have no idea. I thought it was in the court papers that she wasn't pregnant.
I thought it was in documentation too. I thought they showed something where she was back in general population. I don't think that was Key.
Okay, Beth said no.
Okay.
And Soccer Freak said I thought she got rid of it.
Okay.
And, Philly Girl say I saw her in person. I didn't see her better. I go to every court date.
Okay, Philly.
Yeah, see?
Okay, Philly.
So I think that's why they're like, hold on, y'all got it wrong.
Okay, y'all basing this off of her giving birth when she
right.
Birth anymore.
That was all up and down those papers.
Yeah,
they were like, she's got to be out for, go to her appointments. A child to be, birthed in jail. So a lot of that stuff was based on them thinking that she's pregnant.
Exactly.
So we have the transcripts, y'all. Listen. We got the transcripts. I bring facts and I bring it so y'all can see. Okay, and we read from it. But tonight we're gonna have Jello Shot. She's gonna read because y'all know Auntie. I text you. You can read it off your phone, but I gotta put it up and stuff. You look so beautiful. I love you. I can't read y'all because y'all know I had my gallbladder removed just yesterday.
She did.
So it's my stomach muscles, they ain't really good.
And she's a blessing because look, she had it yesterday, but she wanted to come on here today to speak to you guys and let you know the facts of what's going on. Not speculation, not guessing, not an opinion, but giving you the facts, okay?
All right, I'm gonna pull it up, Mama.
Lady here got me. What? Let me try to get my glasses right because we get.
I text her. I say you gonna have to read because I can't because of my stomach.
Oh my God!
All right,
this is little.
Why don't you read it from your phone, maybe?
That's what I'm trying to see if I can pull it up in my phone or let me do it.
All right, what's your question, Soccer Freak? While she trying to read and stuff. Virtuous Judah, you welcome, honey. My stomach is kind of sore, but
okay.
I don't want to be down and that.
I do have a question. What's the question?
What's the question, Soccer Free, before we start getting into the meat and potatoes, which is the transcripts, okay? What's your question, baby? Come on. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Oh, Philly Girl say we look good. Yes, we represent honey.
Okay. I say thank you.
Yes, we represent the definitely.
Exactly. Okay, so we're at the motion to stay that mandate pending filing of a petition for leave to appeal and final deposition by the Illinois Supreme Court. So this is a motion to stay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Girl, I got on my glasses.
Yeah.
Look, I came here to be cute, not to be reading.
This is the motion to stay, honey.
Yes, the people of the state of Illinois by their attorney. Her name is Eileen O'Neill Berkey, or is it Burke?
Burke.
okay, Burke, Cook County State Attorney, through Joseph Alexander, Assistant State Attorney, pursuant to Illinois Supreme Court Rule 368, respectfully ask this honorable court to stay the issuance of its mandate pending the filing of a petition for leave to appeal in the Illinois Supreme Court and pending final deposition of this matter by the court. The people submit the following to support their motions. Okay.
All right, now, so we finna go. She finna read off the filings where they saying, listen, this is why this nigga shouldn't be out on the streets, okay? She finna read why this lady shouldn't be, the nigga shouldn't be out on the streets.
Exactly.
Go ahead, babe.
Okay, they said 1, the defendant is charged with 6 counts of first-degree murder. I think that is huge.
That's huge.
That is huge.
Yeah.
2, after pre-trial detention hearing, defendant was denied pre-trial release.
Mm-hmm.
No, she was denied. Okay. 3, defendant appealed the circuit court's denial of pre-trial release. 4, on April 20th, 2026, the court filed its opinion in this matter. The majority opinion, y'all got to remember the words, y'all got to look at key wording. The majority opinion reversed the circuit court's denial of pretrial release and mandated defendant's case to the circuit court for a hearing of pretrial release conditions. Justice Mitchell dissented. Okay, I just want to stop real quick because we do know an opinion is us saying, okay, we're gonna let you all decide on this case, but these are our opinions on the case, which I think, and I'm gonna agree with Keys on to say that it was a bias. It was biased by the women judges. That's how I feel.
Oh, wow.
And I'm gonna say that because they formed an opinion saying we know that basically Romika was the aggressor when the case has not even been to trial.
So wow.
You cannot say that. Okay. But okay. We're gonna keep moving. Where I left off. Circuit court. Okay, 5. The people did not file a petition for rehearing, and that's big because they're supposed to file a petition for rehearing first, right? But because of the timing, they don't even want it to be heard again by these 3.
Oh,
they could have. That's what they're talking about when they say.
Y'all hear that?
That's what they're talking about when they say they could have filed. They did not file a petition for rehearing. They don't even want to put it in front of them again. I don't want it in front of y'all again. I want to go.
You're saying that the motion is not going to go to the same 3 judges, or could it?
It may not. And that's the thing with the law. The motion can go to any judge to say yes. It does not have to go in front of all 3. That's where I think people are not really comprehending or understanding, right? Because any judge can grant the motion to stay. Okay? Just one.
That's one. We only need one.
Okay. Where we at? 6, pursuant of Illinois Supreme Court Rule 315A, petition for leave to appeal to the Supreme Court from the appellate court may be filed by any party, including the state, in any case not appealable from the appellate court as this matter of, hold on, y'all, I'm on my phone, so I gotta go to the next page. And I gotta zoom in, okay?
Hold on, while you doing that, let me just say something. Welcome everyone that's coming in. Listen, guys, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel. Also, grab you a membership. This helps my channel. It helps me. It helps me to be able to keep my channel running. Also, I don't have a goal up, but I do welcome any type of super chats or super stickers. You know, that really helps this channel. So I appreciate you guys. And please make sure y'all hit that like button. You know, I'm Southern, so that's like you got to knock or ring the doorbell. You just can't walk up in people's house like that. So
it's
that like button, and that's like knocking and ringing the doorbell. And also, come on, guys, I take gifts too. So let's get it going, y'all. They say that
go ahead.
They say the Pink Mafia ain't got no money. They say we broke, honey. We not broke over him. All right. No,
Plus,
we
y'all have to
broke
remember,
over.
Auntie helps. She does contribute to the family at times, so
Yes.
that would really help with her actually helping contribute. Okay, so please make sure and support. Plus, she giving all the facts. We going straight.
I bring these papers to y'all. I pay for these papers.
Papers and law. Okay,
Yes.
that's what we're dealing with, papers and law. Defendant case to the circuit court for a hearing on pretrial release conditions. And then it says Justice Mitchell.
All right. Thank you, Rhonda. Thank you. Appreciate you so much.
So it says the people, I think we already did that. The people did not file a petition for rehearing. Well, I'm at Auntie 7. The people intend in good faith to file a petition for leave to appeal to the Illinois Supreme Court within the time provided by law. 8, the people request a stay of this court's mandate in this matter so that they may seek review of this court's decision by the Illinois Supreme Court.
So listen. So the Supreme Court is different, guys, from the appellate court.
Very.
The Supreme Court is the highest court.
Yes,
it's the highest court, okay?
They don't even want to have the appellate rehear it. They want to go straight to the Supreme Court.
And the Supreme Court is the highest court. It's not this appellate court. Baby, when I tell y'all, prosecution is not playing.
And the prosecution got some evidence.
That's what they got to have something.
Going way to the Supreme Court.
I think when they emptied them phones, they found some shit.
They found some good shit.
They found some good shit, y'all. I bet they were saying, oh, yeah, I killed that bitch. And yeah, you did the right thing and all that kind of stuff. So they are, she already ain't got no remorse.
Nothing.
They don't want nobody out there on the loose.
No.
They don't even feel bad
about what they did. You took someone's life. And all y'all can yell on the scene is, I got a CCL. And then the other one talking about, it's the self-defense. Shut the fuck up. What? Are y'all crazy?
Huncho Tree. Okay, look at that. Say he gonna send $50 super chat.
Come on, babe.
I know that's right. We ain't broke over here, honey. We not broke over here. So yeah, we not broke over here, baby.
At all. Tell me,
thank you, Huncho.
As soon as I finish reading this, I'll send it up. He just sent it over to me to send it up. Look, he just sent it over to me to send it up.
Okay, thank you, Huncho Treats. Yes, he already done sent it, y'all. Thank you. Oh shit, got a new member. Y'all they showing out tonight.
Show out. Come on.
Y'all showing out tonight.
That's what I'm talking about.
I appreciate, man. Y'all really showing out. Thank you so much. All right, let's go to this real quick. So Rhonda say, yes, that's why it's called Supreme Court. Yes, so that's the highest court. They not playing.
At all.
They not playing. And Philly Juice Girl said, all of them Supreme Court judges might call Ari personally and be like, I know you fucking lying. Thank you.
We know you the lie on all this.
Yes, I know.
I think the worst part about this is if they do catch her in these lies, and these lies are put in the forefront, Ari's gonna lose her license.
He sure is. They're gonna put her to the board, the law board.
Yeah, you can't do
misconduct. That's what it's called, misconduct.
And that's not good. That's not good. Because you know what it'll make them do? Go review all her old cases.
They will.
And see what she submitted. Was it true? Was it false? Was it just to get the person off? And she can actually get in trouble for shit like that.
She can get in trouble.
She could definitely get in trouble.
She probably shaking in her boots.
Child, listen.
Hey, Anisha.
Listen.
Shaking in her boots, y'all. Go ahead, baby. Where we at now? On 9.
Okay, pursuant of the Illinois Supreme Court Rule 368, the appellate court, the Supreme Court, or a judge of either court.
Okay. The appellate and Supreme Court.
Judge of either court may, upon just terms, stay the issuance of or recall any mandate of the appellate court until the time for seeking review by the Supreme Court. Wait a minute. Well, I'm at review by the Supreme Court expires. I don't understand that. Did I say that right? Until the time seeking review by the Supreme Court expires. Okay, I'm right. Or if review in timely sought until it is granted or refused. Right? Well, I'm trying to read on this
phone. If review is granted.
If review is granted until final deposition of the court by the Supreme Court, the state. Go ahead. You were going to say something?
No, it says until the final disposition of the case by the
Supreme Court, the state may apply to any judgment entered or standing affirmed in any court pursuant to the mandate of the appellate court. So I feel like that's a big part because that does still state what we said. Any judge can grant the stay. It does not have to go in front of the 3 judges like before, where there's a majority rule, this, that, the third. It does not matter. Even if they're able to get a judge in the Supreme Court to hold the stay, it could happen. At this point, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do. I get it.
They can go to someone else. They don't have to deal with that. You know what I'm saying? They don't have to at all. It says a stay is required. This is 10. A stay is required because, unlike other appeals, the mandate in the rule 604H, appeals are transmitted to the circuit court 5 court days after the entry of judgment. And then it gives this whole rule thing, whatever. Ain't nobody got time for all that. Right. While the judgment of the appellate court becomes final when entered, it is in the filing of the mandate that revests jurisdiction in the circuit court, right? People versus Chapman. Did you look that one up, Auntie?
No, I will. I'm gonna look it up right now.
And that's from 2018, correct?
Yes.
Okay. The mandate is stayed automatically only if the petition is filed before the mandate is issued. So that to me is big because the mandate has not been issued yet, right?
Right.
And they filed it before the mandate has been issued or sent back down, correct?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so it's saying that the mandate is automatic, right? Stay automatically. So is that saying, and I'm trying to get your understanding on that.
Okay.
Is that
hey, Nurse RN, the mandate is stayed automatically if the petition is filed before the mandate issues. So the mandate is stayed automatically only if the petition is filed before the mandate issues.
Right. So the mandate has not issued yet because the mandate was for the lower court to be sent back to the lower court, correct? Uh-huh. For them to come up with conditions. That was the mandate. Am I wrong? Okay, that's right. So they filed this stay prior to the mandate. So they're saying that the mandate is stayed automatically, from my understanding. Now, if I'm wrong on that, y'all correct us.
If y'all know something, let us know.
Exactly. Because the mandate is scheduled to issue before the time of the people to file a petition for leave to appeal, the people are requesting that this court stay the mandate pending the filing of the people's petition for leave to appeal and pending final deposition of this matter by the Illinois Supreme Court. Okay.
So what they're asking for is a pause.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they want a pause to the ruling that came out from the appellate court saying that she can be released with conditions, and it goes back to Judge Clancy. And y'all know that Ari filed a motion for the 27th before May the 6th when she goes back to court. So Ari's filed that motion on the 27th. Quadasia could have gotten out, but now that they are requesting a pause until the Supreme Court can take their appeal. So that's what's going on. This is a pause. They're like, wait, no, let's not continue on with that reversal. So that's what they're wanting that pause for until they can go to the Supreme Court.
Exactly. I'm trying to get back to something real quick, Auntie.
Okay, go where you want me to go.
I'm just trying to get back. Go ahead. I'm listening.
You want me to move it?
No, you good. You good. I'm just trying to send Huncho's thing and it won't let me do it from this part. I gotta open up the other
Okay.
screen. I got it. I got it. Don't
Are
worry.
we finished with this?
Yeah, I got it. Go
Okay.
ahead.
So listen, guys, I love to play this. This is why we're doing this. Okay. This is who we are. Because the thing is that the family is going through a lot. Okay. So we gonna stand in. Okay, we gonna stand for them. We gonna stand in place of them. All of us that is justice for Romika, we standing in place of the family. Because right now the family is going through so much right now. They are mourning, they are grieving, they can't, that they already got this trial thing they trying to deal with. So for us, we standing in for them. Okay. So I need for y'all to stop being so emotional, okay, and be strong. Let the family be emotional. We gonna stand strong and show that support, okay? That's what we have to do, y'all. We have to do that. The family is grieving so hard. That's why y'all don't really see them online or anything like that. Plus, they trying to take care of Amir. And don't y'all know every time they look at Amir, they see Romika?
Amen. Every time.
Thank you, Honcho, for them $50. Auntie, appreciate you. I love you. Yes, honey, because we ain't broke over here. Okay.
And all.
So we got to be strong, y'all.
Yes.
We got to be strong for that family.
Yes.
All right. So this what I like to play to remind us why we doing this, why we wearing pink. Okay. Why we saying justice for Romika. So let's go play this. Let's go.
In agony, months of pain and agony. I just want to say thank you, Lord. Thank you. Justice, please. I just want justice. I don't want to fight with nobody. I don't want to argue with nobody. I just want justice for my daughter. And I want peace in my family. This has been such a hard 3 months. It's been painful. It's been terrible. I mean, we've been torn apart. One of the leaders of our family, she was the baby, but she was the leader. The holidays are not holidays. I'm just grateful to God. And I am happy on today's verdict. I thank you, I thank you, I thank you. And all I want is to be done, is justice to be done. I want justice so I can have a peace and mind. It won't bring her back, but it will be a little peace now. It feels like a big bundle just been lifted off my head and my heart.
Carlos is doing great. He has always been doing great. He has a strong mother. He has a strong grandmother. He has strong aunties. He has strong uncles. He has a village. Carlos may be hurt for the rest of his life, but we make sure he see rainbows in his clouds. Okay? Nothing will ever change about that. There is nothing he needs that we cannot provide. He is perfectly well. He is happy. He is thriving. And even when he feels his lowest, we pull him out of it together like we do with each other.
Catch the latest on this story at Fox 32.
Yes.
This is why we do it. And you know what I can't understand is how some people could get on here and try to tear that family apart. For what? The family ain't do nothing to y'all, and Romika sure ain't do nothing to him because Romika dead.
Exactly.
I don't understand that. Like I seen some shit that pissed me off today, right? Real PTV. She got Amir's picture on her intro about Holly.
Why put the baby up? Though?
Yeah. Why she didn't put Carson? That's Carson's mama is Holly.
It
Why
would
would you put Romika's son in your intro talking about Holly? Come on now. That's just plain old fucking nasty. That's some nasty, slimy shit.
Yeah.
Like for real. That's some slimy ass shit. Like, why you wouldn't put Holly's son? You for Holly, put his son.
Put him up. Yeah, put her son
Put
up.
Holly's son up there.
Yeah,
And that's like
that's
one
really
of Holly auntie, what's her name? Tammy. She talking about she don't want nobody posting Carson or Holly. Okay, did you say something to this lady that
about
posted
here.
Amir?
Yeah,
Come
that's
on now. How you think they feel?
board. I think that no one should pull the children, either of them,
Right.
or Mir, in whatever they're feeling.
Leave the children alone.
The children should be off limits.
She up there talking about Holly coming home and got Amir in her intro. That's some nasty ass shit, bro. Like
Right.
for real, that's some nasty ass shit. And that shit ain't gonna go. I'm telling you right now, it ain't gonna go.
Here.
I'm telling you, take it down. Take it down. I'm asking nicely. Take it down. That shit is wrong. That shit is evil. Okay? If Romika was alive, I bet you wouldn't play that shit with her.
Yeah, because she's gonna protect her.
Why would she do that?
He can't even, he don't even have a voice to say certain things. These are children. You don't want to involve children. You don't want to involve children. I don't care how mad or upset. I think that if you're gonna support.
Right,
support doesn't look evil. Support.
Come on now. Come on.
I don't think support should look that way, especially if you're trying to get justice or you're trying to get
if you're really trying to get justice.
Yeah, or you're trying to get something accomplished. I think that support does not look nasty.
I love that. I like that you said support don't look evil.
It don't. It does not. It's so many other ways to support people without all that. That's look, that is personal to your own personal whatever. That has nothing to do with this case or anything. Like, that's crazy. Children?
Yes. Hey, Gwen. Hey, Auntie Baby. That's my baby right there.
Oh.
So Rhonda says they are so sad. Then I saw on Facebook they put a picture of Holly talking about she's beautiful. That's why Romika was jealous. Never Romika was a beautiful vibe and Holly was jealous. Exactly. Like, why they coming after a dead person? You would think that Romika personally did something to these folks.
Really?
The way they going after her, you would think that she did something. And Romika is dead. She don't even know these motherfuckers.
But that's the thing. No one was present but the witnesses and those two women, right?
Right.
So how can y'all judge or have so much judgment for someone y'all never met? She's not here to speak for herself. She doesn't have a voice of her own, right? So you can only go by the voice of what her people say. The good side. You can't even judge a person from anger at this point, because she's not here to say what she did that day, what may have happened that day. This, you know what I'm saying? Everything that they're speaking on seems to be one-sided. Which, like I said, it's fine to support that side.
That's why I still talk to people who support Holly. I talk to Amber. I don't support. I can't be mad for somebody that support. Have a different support of what I have. But when you start being motherfucking nasty, okay. Yeah. When you start being motherfucking nasty, posting that girl child, when you know you don't talk down on Romika, when you know you in love with Holly, and you finna you posted a mirror picture, that's fucked up.
Yeah, that's not cool at all. Hey, Gwen Patterson, and Statanya.
Where you see that at?
Yeah.
Tanya. Hey, Tanya. Stay Tanya. Girl, listen.
Okay. You're right, Auntie. You're right. And I know you. I'm going to tell y'all something about Auntie. Auntie is a protector. Okay. So if Auntie going off or being upset about something, especially if it's like, what they got to do with her, she's just a protector, y'all.
Yeah, okay? I nearly cried I swear I nearly cried when I seen that little boy picture.
Yeah.
Like, oh my God. Don't y'all know this baby miss his mama?
Every time I see that picture of him laying on her casket, it does something to me.
Me too.
You know how they say, "Oh, you're not supposed to. Is this not supposed to be emotions or whatever, whatever?" But as mothers, that's the emotion you can't get rid of. I would like to see him laying on her casket and him still probably being confused. He's what, 6? What is he, 6 or 7?
6 or 7. He's a baby.
Yeah, but he's a baby, so he's still confused. He's still confused.
Beth say that real T is a woman beater anyway. Like her. Child, I see that she strangled somebody in 2026. I didn't know nothing about it. All right. I just found out today. Amber called Holly a hero. Amber confused too. And they said they terrible. Yes, terrible.
Amber, you know Auntie love you.
Yes, I love Amber.
She said a hero. Okay, keep going.
So was Holly licensed for Chicago or Wisconsin? Who is in Wisconsin?
Holly from Wisconsin?
When you get licensed, it's for the whole state. Holly's not from Wisconsin.
Where's Holly from?
She's from Illinois.
What part? I know she like 3 hours away or something, right?
Right. She like 3 hours away. And if you license in the state, you just license in the state.
Yeah,
Like if I get licensed in Texas, which I'm licensed in the whole state of Texas.
State of Texas.
Am I right? I don't know. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You just have to find out the rules for other states when it comes to licensing, because rules for each state is different. One is open carry, some states are not. This, that, the third. But if you're licensed, you're licensed.
Yeah. So
what state?
Fine. Well, she had her license, right? But you don't get licensed to kill unarmed people.
Definitely don't. You don't get licensed to kill, baby.
That's where she from. She from Waukegan. Yes. And I think that is in Illinois. She from
Waukegan, right?
Waukegan, yeah, which I never heard of.
We never heard of Cordasia.
Okay, how you spell Waukegan?
Waukegan.
Yeah, that's in Illinois.
Well, but what is the? I guess the question would be with the licensing. What was your question on that though? Because
the question was, they said, okay, so they said she was from Wisconsin. So the question was Holly licensed for Chicago or Wisconsin? She was licensed for Illinois, which is, any state. So yeah. Somebody said she from Waukegan. Yeah, that's where she's at.
Okay.
And Soccer Free said that makes sense, right? That
you license. It don't matter.
It's in Lake County. I don't know. It's Waukegan in Lake County. Yeah. So that's where Holly is from.
Yeah.
So they said that Chapman and People versus Chapman is what they reference.
Okay.
We might go on a trip. Y'all give me a minute.
Okay.
Let me, you know what? Hold on. We're going to go to YouTube and see, and we're going to take a trip tonight. So hold on.
And it say, Auntie Beautiful.
Who said that?
Danny.
Hey, Danny. Yes, honey. So it was People versus Chapman, right?
Yes.
In 2018?
That's what it says.
Okay, hold on. Let's see if I can pull it up. People.
Thank you, Danny. Yeah, get Auntie 20 more likes.
Yeah.
Hey, Stack. How are you?
How you spelling Chapman? Is it T Chapman?
No, it's CHAP. Chapman.
Oh, Chapman.
Mm-hmm. That's
2018, right?
Yes. You're correct, Rhonda. She was not licensed to do what she did. And here's the thing that's funny to me. They act like they're ignoring. They keep saying, but it was a fight. But Carlos didn't say that the first day. He said
he didn't say that.
She said she swung. He didn't say they fought. She said she swung at her. And
right.
Holly didn't say that at the police station. So
then
that they were fighting. People get really, let's get this right.
Yeah, let's get this shit right. Okay. So let me find where I'm at. All right, so we finna go on a field trip. Make sure y'all get those likes up. Get those likes up. We got 140 building. Get the likes up, honey. All right. People versus Chapman. All right. We going on a field trip. All right. Why it ain't open?
It's not opening?
No.
Why?
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm. We can see it, but it's not opening. We do see it. It's highlighting it.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. People versus Chapman 2018. Let me see if it's the same one. People versus Chapman. That's a California. That's a different one, I would think. I don't know shit.
Probably if you put in People versus Chapman, State of Illinois.
Oh, it's a P or T.
Chap.
Oh, child.
APMAN.
PMAN. All right, let's see, guys. How we like to know what the fuck we got going on. All right, here we go. And can y'all see me? See it?
Yes.
All right. In People versus Chapman, the Michigan Court of Appeals upheld a conviction, finding that the trial court did not abuse its discretion in omitting other acts. Evidence to show motive and intent. The defendant argued the evidence was improper, but the court ruled it was not more prejudicial than probative, and that the jury instructions were sufficient. The court affirmed the conviction, finding no plain error in the trial's court handling of evidence. Okay, so that's what I guess they use it. You know, I don't fucking know.
I think it would be a case in Illinois, wouldn't it?
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
For the state of Illinois versus Vernon Chapman. And okay, we got it. In 2018, appeal under the Circuit Court of Cook County, all right, vacated and remanded. All right, the defendant, Vernon Chapman, see, we getting history over here, baby. Okay. The defendant, Vernon Chapman, appeals from an order of the Circuit Court entered on October the 13th, dismissing his amended petition on the Post-Conviction Hearing Act, which sought relief from the judgment of conviction entered against him. Based upon his plea of guilty to one count of criminal drug conspiracy, for the reason that followed, we vacate the Circuit Court's order for want of jurisdiction and remand of further proceedings. I don't know. Okay, when a timely notice of appeal has been filed, a jurisdiction of the appellate court attaches, and a circuit court is devised of jurisdiction. The judgment of the appellate court becomes final when entered. However, it is the filing of the mandate that reinvests jurisdiction in the circuit court. After the filing of a notice of appeal and prior to the filing of the appellate court's mandate, the circuit court lacks jurisdiction to enter any order of substance in the case. All right, in this case, the circuit court entered its orderly summary dismissing the defendant's amended petition for post-conviction relief 5 days prior to the filing of his court's mandate in Chapman. The order is therefore void for want of jurisdiction and must be vacated. The state has conceded the issue and also requests that we vacate the circuit court's order of October 13 and remand the matter back to the circuit court. All right, the parties disagree. Let's see, can we get to some final shit? The circuit court was reinvested with jurisdiction over the case, okay? And again, devised a jurisdiction, I can't even talk, on November, when the defendant filed his note of appeal from the October 16, 2016 order. As a consequence, the circuit court possessed jurisdiction over the defendant's amended post-conviction petition for a period of only 17 days. We conclude, therefore, that 73 days remain in a 90-day period within which the circuit court is required to examine the defendant's amended petition and enter an order thereon. Based upon the foregoing analysis, we vacate the circuit court order of October 2016 and remand this matter for first stage proceedings under the act on the defendant amended petition, vacated and remanded. So I really don't know. Do you understand it, honey?
It's just saying that when it was, I guess it's basically the same.
Oh, I got a new member. I didn't even know. Thank you, Jersey Finest. Thank you, honey. Yes, y'all get Auntie these memberships up. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you.
Yeah, I think it's just referring to the same type situation where
Okay.
it may have been denied at the appellate level, and then they sought out the Supreme Court to get it, you know, what I'm
Okay.
saying, back
So
over.
okay, and that's what they reference.
Yes.
So yeah, so Rhonda said, yes, definitely. I think it was premeditated too.
Yes.
And I think that she thought she had all her bases covered, right?
Thank
So she went out and got a restraining order, tried to rather.
Mhm.
Then she got a CCL license, right? How do you meet somebody for the first time and you kill them?
Exactly. Somebody that you had ongoing, supposedly, problems with. I don't know.
That was
I,
the first time she ever met her.
I don't know.
And she killed her.
On me. Because that's what she wanted. She needed her out of the way. I don't care what nobody.
I say that too.
She needed her out of the way so that she can have Carlos' undivided attention, which she knew she didn't have though.
Right. And she still don't have it. She
Called
still
Jazz
don't have it.
twice. She called Jazz twice at 3 a.m. before she called Carlos.
So
And
she knew about Jazz, huh?
y'all saw the call log.
Holly knew about Jazz, but Carlos took his ass on summer break, on spring break, and was with Jazz.
In Houston. He was. Yes, he was. Yes, he was.
That is crazy work.
That's what I'm trying to figure out where in all of this. It was, oh, she was stalking me, or she was calling me, and this and that, and then they drop receipts that ain't receipting, but they drop receipts, and the receipts show her calling Jazz twice, calling Carlos, then calling Romika, then getting a missed call from Romika. Like, huh?
And then the guy who the phone belonged to, who she tried to say was Romika, he knew him and Holly knew each other.
Knew each other, and that's who
Yes, knew
was.
each other. And after he died, the call stopped. Ooh, that's suspicious, ain't it?
Yeah, it speaks volumes.
It's not.
Yes, you're right, Rhonda. Their plan backfired on.
Yeah, Rhonda said they plan backfired.
Is against the.
Oh, Soccer Freak said something to you, baby.
Okay, I feel if they agree to let her out for being pregnant, that's what. Let's go through the entire case out the window, because their argument then becomes, why would a judge let her out if she was that dangerous? That's true. But you gotta go by the state of Illinois law. Does say, I think with pregnancy, right? Long as they haven't been found guilty.
The super stickers are there. Why they ain't showing?
I know what they not. Hold on.
You know how to show them?
I'm finna look and see where they at. I'm finna see if it's coming up.
How you can see?
So when your super stickers aren't. It's just the super chats.
But why?
It's showing where I can send a super chat.
Honey, I don't know. I'm about to figure it out when we get off. I don't know.
Super chat, if you're trying to send us something, that's fine.
Yeah, I don't know, baby. But until you'll figure it out next time.
That'd be nice if you just support, please.
Yes.
Just
support. So
all the time. That's true. They do, but I think when they're convicted,
Sasha what backfired.
Sasha, what backfired?
Mm-hmm.
Holly done playing.
Yeah. Her plan, she thought that she was gonna, get away with murder, right? Because she had a restraining order and a CCL license. That's why she was standing up there with no emotion while Romika was on the ground, just feet away from her, right? Shot.
Let the fuck up.
Blood was everywhere because I saw it, okay? She was driving around because she was in pain, and Holly was standing just like this
on the phone,
and Carlos was patting Romika like this. What kind of what kind of CPR or any what you call it when you're trying to save somebody?
Revive.
Try to help him.
No.
He was just patting. I seen him. He was like this.
Yeah. He'll pat, then grab her arm.
Pat, and then
yeah, like it was the.
I would have just. Oh, let me tell y'all something. I would have just died if I pray to God I never have to kill nobody, because I'm telling you, I was be up. Even cops. Remember I was telling you this?
Yes.
Even cops.
Yeah.
Not all of them, but some of them that have to kill somebody. They have to go to the therapist.
Everything.
I saw a cop cry because he had to kill somebody.
Exactly. They have to shoot someone. Sometimes they break down.
Yes.
I don't want to do that.
They don't want to do that. Like,
no,
killing somebody is not no light work.
It's not light. And for a person to do that and have no emotions,
none. She requested, I'm on the run. On TikTok. Love on the run.
She need her ass whooped.
That girl is dangerous. Yeah, he provided no aid. He provided no aid. I saw it. None.
He did.
That would have been my nigga on the ground. I would have been all over that nigga, holding him.
I would have been bloody as heck. You hear me? When I'm trying to get out.
Wherever the
clothes
was, I would have took all my clothes and tied, because you supposed to, when you get shot,
pressure
take constricted and so it won't bleed out.
I think everybody know that. You're supposed to.
She didn't do it, honey.
I think everybody knows that. What did they say, Jello? If the state asked for a pregnancy test and the sonogram, that will stop Ari in her tracks. That's true at this point.
Yeah.
And they may.
I think Ari is gonna tell the truth because she already have been called out.
Yes.
Okay. She gonna have to tell the truth because she didn't know it was gonna go this far.
She did not know. Know why she didn't? Because she's used to filing all these random paperwork, all this stuff that kind of confuse the system and whatever, and it's supposed to work. Okay. And that's what she betted on, this working, which she did get 2 female judges to say, okay, 1 male to say no. But guess what? The state said, no, baby, we got to go back to this.
No. They say, no, keep that motherfucker in jail. All right. That motherfucker got 6 first-degree counts. They said, don't let that motherfucker out, all right? Because the motherfucker has no remorse
at all.
She thinks she did right.
Yes, she do. In her mind, she feels she did.
She on TikTok requesting on the run. She FaceTiming people like she at a family reunion.
Yeah,
you know, they record them calls.
Yes,
understand me?
They do.
They don't. She's a sociopath. That's what she is.
Yeah.
Sociopaths don't have no emotions, and it's a lot of sociopaths online.
A lot.
They have no fucking emotions for human or humanity. They have none. They don't give a fuck.
And there's no limits to that, to their thinking. It's kind of like, no, like, you know what I'm saying? There's no limits. They don't comprehend really what's going on. I'm be honest.
Right.
The state said, hold up, wait a minute.
Exactly. They said, hold up, wait a minute. Let me file some shit. Okay.
Okay. Y'all play too much. That's
and Ari don't got caught.
Yeah.
I'm interested. You know what? I'm interested in seeing what's going to happen on the 27th. So today is the 23rd. So we got 4 days for that motion on the 27th that she filed for Holly to get out. I am very interested in seeing what happens on the 27th, guys.
Got tomorrow. And I'm going to tell you something about Supreme Court and different people. They're quick to answer back, especially on this type of motion, right? So we should probably know by tomorrow.
What?
Probably know by tomorrow if they grant the stay. And if they did, ain't going to be no court Monday.
Oh, girl. When I tell you, this state of wherever they at, Chicago or state of Illinois, Cook County,
yes,
baby, they ain't playing no motherfucking game. And I have never seen no prosecutor fight this hard for a black person.
You hear me? And then you heard people were saying, "Oh, this case ain't even a big case or whatever." I'm like, it's big enough.
Okay.
the state said,
I have never seen that before, y'all. I swear to God. When I tell you these people is stepping for Romika.
Yes. They stepping for justice. You understand? Because know what? They really don't feel she's safe for the community. I'm gonna tell you something, y'all. I don't feel she's safe for Carlos.
What? What you say?
The girl, listen, y'all. Okay. Even though we do know if she would have came home or on the conditions, right? They're not gonna let him around her because he's a witness.
Right.
Okay.
So you think she would try to kill him?
I think it's it. Listen, if a person is easy to do that one time and she know he out here with that bull, I don't think she's safe for him. I don't think he's safe. And if he think he's safe,
y'all heard it here first.
This is hilarious.
Y'all heard it here first, okay? So if something happened, y'all heard it here first, all right?
I'm just giving my opinion. You understand what I'm saying? And I think by her actions and that happening off an argument, Auntie, if you're that easy to take someone's life off an argument,
okay,
you tell me what you're gonna do with a nigga that you've been sitting up in jail for 5 months, 5-6 months, and he out here all in Houston and everywhere.
Okay.
This is in trouble.
Yeah, I think he might not be safe. Carlos, you better
I do think he needs to. Oh no, I don't know if that would be the safest thing. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're right. I didn't even think about it that way, but you got a point there because it was very easy for her. Listen,
that was easy.
She's tried to put 3 bullets in her.
Yeah, that was easy for her.
Yeah.
Listen. That was easy. And to be that easy, that's scary.
And then to stand over like this, I didn't want to do it. Oh my God, girl, listen, I would freak the fuck out. I've been like, oh my God,
like she made me or something, anything.
Yeah, she went and put the gun, after she did it, she went and put the gun back in the car. Okay, call witness number 3 says to get the gun. The gun. She put it in the car with the baby.
You know what someone asked? I saw our screenshot because I have people be sending me stuff in my inbox because they want me to go live on Facebook so bad. I told them no, come see me on Auntie channel. I'm not doing this thing like this. But someone sent me a screenshot of someone saying, "Well, do you think they search Romika's car to see maybe if she had something in the car?" They hauled both those cars off. Y'all think they ain't checked?
Baby, they took both them cars. It was a shooting.
They checked. There was nothing.
Where do they think Romika's car went to? They think she drove it
off. I think they think someone drove it off. That
crime scene, honey. They took both the cars.
They took them. And trust me, they searched them. Okay,
yeah, I had to.
They know that girl. She didn't have anything. She
didn't have nothing. She didn't need nothing. She had them things on her knees. That's nothing. This girl, Romika stood up there. How many minutes they was there arguing?
9
minutes. If she was gonna tell her, she would have been here.
Listen, when we on go, we're on go. When you're on go,
we don't even count. We just go.
And y'all saying that she was an angry, aggressive person. When she got out that car, it would have been on go. I'm not arguing with nobody. No. She said, "Didn't I say I was gonna catch you?" It would have been on go because y'all trying to say Carlos didn't do nothing to her. So if witness 3 is saying her and Carlos were fighting,
right,
and she couldn't get to Holly because he pushed Holly back, how did Romika not get to Holly?
That's what I'm saying.
Him and Romika were fighting,
right? So Carlos had it under control because he was choking her. And he beat her with the car though.
That's the only
while he was doing all that wrestling moves on Romika.
Holly should have gotten her car and left. And why they saying Holly didn't have to leave because Romika pulled up on her. Listen, if he was de-escalating or diffusing the situation And Holly was like, leave me alone.
Right. So you do have to lead a situation. If you are trained in carry, all right. If you're trained in that, and if you got a restraining order, they tell you to lead a situation. They do not tell you to fight.
If the situation is
FLIGHT, not FIGHT. FLIGHT. They never tell you to fight unless you have to.
Unless you have to. And that wasn't the case. She was not put in that position, y'all. That's why I'm saying they got to stop that at some point. At some point, that has to stop. It really has.
I just say that Romika was going to work. She wasn't there for no beef. She wasn't. She seen her baby daddy, because I see my baby dad, I'm going to stop.
And people forgot that they said that was her car first. That black Mercedes truck was hers. I guess that him and her share.
Wow.
This car here. I guess people have to use common sense. If I'm going to work, and 2 weeks prior, you jumped on me at the school because the school already vouched for that, right?
Right.
For that. And I've taken you off my son's paperwork because I've moved, I've changed my phone number, all this stuff on you, right? And I'm doing a U-turn to go to work. You know my route to work.
Yes.
That's my problem with this whole situation. He knows. But if I'm doing a U-turn and you're in my car that you got for me before, I see the vehicle, I'm going to stop. Any mother would stop.
Yes.
What you doing? Because I'm trying to figure out, are you trying to get my child from school? What you doing
here? Yeah. Because Carlos was on some weird ass shit anyway. So why she can't stop?
I caught y'all, and this one said, leave me alone. But then she was arguing and fighting, and you had to push her back. If he was in between them,
Carlos said he pushed Holly back first.
He did. That's what I'm saying. So if he had pushed her back first, how the hell was her first words, leave me alone? He got to do better. That don't make no freaking sense. Are you going to say, leave me alone? Because, bitch, I'll kick your ass. No, you're not.
No. Wait a minute. I'm finna ask Carlos. Hold on.
Ask him.
I'm finna ask him. Hold on.
Ask him.
Why you talking junk? While you talking junk, let me ask Carlos what happened.
No.
Playing around, right? Okay. Come on, Carlos.
Information came out in court today. Witnesses saying what they saw.
But
you were there. What's your reaction to what you heard came out in court today?
When I heard it, I'm just looking. You know, it was unbelievable, but I was there. And I know for a fact none of that happened. How they just explained it. But my truth will get out here.
What's your truth?
And I hope everybody understand. Okay. That's really it. I can't even say too much right now.
Oh.
You know, because it's just gonna feel like I'm going against them, they going against me. We just going back and forth. But the truth is going to come out.
Well, let's walk through this. So on September 8th, investigators say Johnson and the...
All right, so Carlos said that what he said, he was there, right?
He said,
okay, what he said?
He said,
okay. He said he was there.
Yes.
And he don't want to say too much.
He been saying everything.
You know, he's been on panels, right? He don't want to say too much. He say his truth gonna come out. I think if he say something, the other he'll feel like he going against the other one.
I say something, the other one. So with him saying something on Romika, that means he went against them, correct?
Yes.
Okay. But he ain't gonna say too
much. Just say we still waiting on the truth, baby. We is too.
We know the truth.
Look,
even there.
Hey, Cena say we got it cracking up. Yeah, because Carlos, you know.
Look, and we wasn't there. And we know the truth.
Right. But Carlos was there.
Exactly.
And he said his truth. When is it, Carlos, baby, when?
When is this truth coming?
And he say he ain't gonna say too much. Girl, that what got me.
That gets me every time. for someone who's on every panel, he goes live all the time.
He be on all them panels.
What is there? I'm not gonna say too much. You showing pictures of her, you're showing videos of her, you're showing all this stuff, but you're not gonna say too much.
But his truth gonna come out.
His diffusing is.
He said that
his confusing is.
Find that one. Hold on.
Wait, his confusing is his diffusing is confusing. His diffusing is confusing.
Oh, they put that nigga in jail. What's his name? Carlos interview. Let's see if it's on YouTube.
Oh my gosh.
I want to see that one because y'all listen, they say that one boy in the back, somebody Keith say look like he just woke up.
Why was looking at him like that when he say
yeah, he
was looking like you fucking liar. I have that cousin in the back that got strong facial expression, right? Strong facial expression. I can tell what his face was saying. When you ain't do that, you ain't do that shit. Nigga, what?
I have to find it. All I see is that one. It was at court, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was at court.
Chicago.
No, it wasn't Tia. It wasn't
Tia.
It could have been Tia. At court. It was at court with the cousins.
I only see the one.
It was the cousin, brother, uncle, somebody. He woke up off the couch and said,
"Yeah, he had stayed overnight."
Yeah, he said, "Come with me," and he said, "What the fuck I'm going?" This boy go do 8.
I can't find it, girl. I wish I could find it. Cause that's when he was diffusing the situation.
Oh my gosh, where is it? It's somewhere on here, man. That is funny. If one of y'all have that, please
yeah, tell me where I can find it. Where he said he diffusing. Damn.
Diffuse. Oh my gosh.
Damn, I got that Facebook. Oh man. That shit was crazy.
Oh, good job, baby.
His name Carlos Way, right? Carlos Way in the news.
Oh, I got it. Hold on.
Where can I find it at?
Oh no, she just got his picture. Dang, I thought she had the whole interview on here. Yeah, baby cakes. You can blow. You already watched it?
No.
I can do it if you want me to. Oh well, then go ahead and watch it and blow dry it. All right, love you. Use the sacred.
Sorry, guys. I can't find it. Look, Cole Grease said, lock his ass up. Lock his ass up. You going to jail. Yeah, he going. But he going to tell his truth first.
Listen, I'm going to tell you what the truth is. When it's all said and done.
Oh, what? Did I find it? Oh.
Wait. Oh, dang,
I think I found it, y'all. This is gonna be good if I did.
Yeah, I can't see the cousin in the back, but I did find one. Go ahead. I hope you got it.
Burmack and State time. Then fist bump the baby's father. Filed a statement, but the judge says celebrating in the streets.
Damn, why? I can't find it, y'all. That would have been some good content. When he said he was diffusing the situation.
I know Keys be playing it, but oh my gosh, I can't find it.
It's so crazy.
I cannot find it. That is too funny. He is so funny to me.
Yes, Keys, I love myself. That's my nephew.
Who's that? Quadre? Who is Quadre? Mine as well.
Is it coming from letting us slide the first thing she did?
Get most of them live.
What? I can't see that.
Oh no, somebody named Quadre she's talking to. He or she soccer.
They said it's on Tia Ewing's page. Is it?
Let me go to Tia page.
Go to Tia page and look, y'all. We got to find this.
I'm going to Tia right for you.
Okay.
That's soccer.
That shit was funny.
His tongue got tied when he said he was diffusing. He was told.
Chicago, right? Chicago. Tia Ewing. Tia Ewing. Okay.
You found it? I'm on her.
I ain't find it.
Hold on.
Only that one that I played for y'all.
When was that diffusing thing? Oh my God. What date was that court date? Shoot.
Wait, is this it? No. Tia is so fine, y'all. Tia is fine.
They'll be putting them clothes on, baby.
Yes, Tia is so fine.
And look, Tia is intelligent. You know what I love about
intelligent.
Tia is a serious. She's a news.
Tia, I love her. She's thick too.
I like her too. Tia, man.
Okay. She don't let none of that shit bother her. They've been trying to get her fired. That lady is educated.
I'm like, I can tell why she's being a little careful with the case now.
Yeah.
I'm not speaking on it as much. Yeah, I mean, for people to be calling her job or the news station and all that stuff, child, please. I'll be like, you know what? I report on this here and there so people know I'm still in it. I'm still in it for the fight.
Right.
So we give them my job. That lady have a career. She ain't got
a career.
Tia
Ewing.
Ain't gonna finna give y'all my career.
Right. Over some, stuff they doing. She still support Romika, but she just,
have to do it different.
Yeah, she gotta do it different.
What day was that court date? I'm back in March. She got so much stuff on here, y'all. Do you remember what date the court date was?
Anybody remember the date of the court date?
It was denied, in January?
Because I know they say he spoke, they say, I'm so done with Carlos.
I think we all are. And they keep saying he's trying to protect his character, but his character is speaking for itself. Because they got the thing the other day. Why was he on panels then?
Yeah, he was on panels and shit. They said it was January.
Okay, January. Why was he on panels then? If you're not a part of a team and you just trying to make sure that the truth get out, why even be on panels? I ain't never seen a witness talk so much.
Right, me either.
Okay, I'm in January. Come on, Tia. January. I'm at.
They said January 8th.
Okay, I'm going back. I'm going, y'all. I just want Auntie to get and y'all make sure and hit the thumbs up and support Auntie.
Y'all hit the thumbs up, honey.
She had surgery yesterday and Auntie's still on here today. Auntie,
I had surgery, y'all. I had my gallbladder removed. I'm still kind of sore, but I was like, I'm not gonna just lay around and not do anything because I'm older, so I don't want to
I'm sending it to you, Auntie. I got it.
You found it?
Yes, ma'am. No, go ahead.
Where you found it? Oh, you sent it to me?
It was on Tia page.
Okay, y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna get it to us.
This is beautiful.
Okay. So you sent it to me, right? And
yes.
Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm finna get it. Don't worry.
But yeah, if y'all can
Tell them to hit that thumbs up, honey. I don't think
thumbs up for Auntie. Send super chats, anything to support the channel.
Yes.
Support the family. So it would be nice for her to be able, and she's planning on trying to be out that way, especially during trial time.
Yes, honey. I'm telling y'all,
y'all make sure
crime family.
Listen, trying to be on the scene.
Yeah. we is supporters, honey. Hold on, I'm finna get it for y'all.
Yeah, but y'all don't let anyone feel like you all are doing anything wrong or that. And that's the thing too that trips me out, Auntie, when they said like, oh, they're lying or these people are doing this or whatever, whatnot. No one was there. Everybody's going by hearsay. So how is anyone lying? Or
It's nobody lying.
It's everybody going by hearsay. Okay. Thank you, Spec, for asking everyone to hit the like button, please. Listen to the Tide Tongue when you play it. Listen to the Tide. Oh, so
hold on, y'all.
For it. Who do Keys be imitating when he's doing that? Mike Tyson shit. I'm trying to.
That boy's so crazy. Y'all hear me?
Don't me come to Chicago.
All right, I'm finna pull it up. Give me a minute. I'm gonna talk to them. I'm finna get,
So listen, y'all. I'm gonna just go off the dome. Unless y'all have questions, go ahead and ask them. But we are gonna still say justice for Romika. That's first and foremost, because she was a woman who was unalived that was unarmed. So we definitely go. Oh, I see what you talking about, Cold Greek. She was unarmed, so it was excessive force. Okay, that's the part I think a lot of people are missing, is excessive force. It was overkill. Okay, bottom line, it definitely was. There's no thing where it's like, oh, you can't say that a person couldn't keep going or whatever. Yeah, they could. Okay, he sounds like, oh, y'all a mess. Y'all a mess. But on Tuesday, I did say that the courts can ask for a stay. That the state, could ask for a stay. And here we are. I just didn't think, I said there was a possibility. Sometimes it depends on the caseload. Sometimes it depends on how serious the case is. In this case, it is 6 counts of first-degree murder. So I wasn't surprised at all that they did the stay order. And as we said before, it does not matter which judge, okay, grants the stay. It does not have to go towards as a hearing. It's not to go as a hearing. It's not to go before all 3 again. And none of that. Y'all saw, we read that earlier where it said any judge, even if they send it to the Supreme Court, any judge can grant the stay. Okay, any judge in the appellate or the Supreme Court. Okay, so make sure y'all do know that. I feel, like I said the other day, that this could definitely go as a stay. I feel that they're going to grant the stay, and then they're going to be able to argue their case, because we do know she was not pregnant at the time of this shooting, because that wasn't mentioned till December 4th. And at that time, they said she was 7 weeks. So I think that definitely needs to be corrected on the record. Okay. That's why it's first degree, because she could have got in her car and left, but she did not. Exactly, Virtuous. Plus, and this is just my belief, and no one told me this. This is just my belief as a woman who was a young woman at one time. Okay, I do feel in those 16 to 18 calls that he said she did to him all night, that his friend said she called his phone all night and he wasn't answering because he was out with his homeboys or whatever. I believe in those 16 missed calls and him not showing up to the next morning, she was already at the school. That's my belief. Unless someone shows a camera of him or her getting in his car, leaving and making it to the location in less than 60 seconds and putting that baby in her car, securing the baby in her car in less than 60 seconds, and them and Romika pulling up at the same time as her attorney said, in less than 60 seconds, driving from his front door or staircase, because I think he lived in an apartment, staircase. Okay, I don't know. Driving from there to the location, making a couple turns, getting the baby out the car and putting the baby secured in the backseat of her car. For all of this to happen in 60 seconds is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. We're not going to believe that. We're going to use common sense over here. And common sense to me says she was already in her car. Okay? She was already in her car and she was already mad. And hair was probably a little disheveled because she was in that car all night mad because he was not nowhere to be found. And he said, oh no, she was at the house with my sister. Okay? He said he was not home all night, and she called him about 16 to 18 times. They said that on the panel, not me. I'm just repeating what was said, okay? I'm just repeating what was said, allegedly. I don't know. I'm just saying I feel like she was already there, and when he pulled up and went 2 cars forward because he didn't realize where her car was when he was driving up, and when he spotted her car, he stopped, okay, and got out. The same way as Romika was doing her U-turn that she does every morning at the same time, and him and her arrived at the same time, and she jumped out on him. Bottom line, that's how I feel, and I feel she inserted herself, and that's the part I think is the worst part. Even with the judges that said that they felt that she confronted Quadeja, whatever, Holly. I'm like, it was 2 people there. How could y'all say who was confronted? Even if she stopped to confront someone, if she stopped and confronted Carlos, that was not Holly's fight. It was not for her to jump in. So I don't know, y'all. Y'all tell me if I'm wrong. I know I'm rambling. I'm trying to ramble while Auntie doing what she doing, but I'm just giving y'all a breakdown of what I see, the common sense that I feel absolutely happened in this case. Okay, I could be wrong. On Facebook, I didn't know if this picture is real or shows Holly being pregnant. What picture? I didn't see it. I felt the same way. She was there waiting on him because she looked like she had just woken up. Say it again. See, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, Cole. I don't know if that's, how I'm supposed to say it, but I'm the same thing. She looked like she had just woken up. That's why her hair was disheveled. She just woke up. She just woke up. Thank you, Brandy. Auntie is on the thing. I'm Auntie niece T, but yeah, I'm older though. I'm 47, so no, you're not wrong. That's what I'm saying. I just feel like it's a whole lot in this. It's a whole lot in this that's not making sense to where they're trying to make it fit. You get what I'm saying? Because all this extra that's being added as the case go on does not make sense. That does not make sense. But what makes sense to me is who dropping their child off, doing all this in less than 60 seconds, and then you're pulling 2 cars ahead of the person's car to let an infant out your car, a 6-month-old out your car to put in her car. You would have pulled right next to her car. You would have pulled right next to her car. So for me, this story that they came up with is so far-fetched, probably something that they went over together. We don't know. Or he could have been surprised. He could have been caught off guard. I ain't gonna say he would. He could have been caught off guard with her calling him and him finally answering and the crazy and her saying, "I'm at your son's school. Are you with Romika? I'm at your son's school." You feel me? And that boy was around that corner. We don't know. None of us was there, but I feel like the story they're giving is too far-fetched. It's too far-fetched, y'all.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
And before, he's at the center of a case that has devastated 2 families. Today, a judge heard arguments over whether the woman accused of pulling the trigger should remain behind bars and ultimately made a decision. Smith shares a child with Romika Blackman, the 31-year-old mother who was shot and killed, and with Holly Johnson, Quadeja Holly Johnson, the woman now charged in Blackman's death. Prosecutors say Johnson shot Blackman during a confrontation in Chicago's South Loop on September 8th last year. Johnson, who was licensed to carry a firearm, has claimed that she feared for her life. In court today, Johnson's attorney argued for her release, but documents show that motion was denied. The defense outlined evidence they say contradicts the state's version of events, including 911 audio recordings and surveillance video. The defense also challenged the credibility of the state's key witness. We also heard again from Smith, who disputed claims made by prosecutors, including allegations that he fist bumped Johnson after the shooting and physically assaulted the victim seconds before she was killed.
I'm just tired of the lies and everything, what they said I did. I know for a fact it wasn't true. I didn't headlock her. I didn't beat her with the door. I only try to diffuse the situation. They keep deflecting away from that. And what I did what they saying I did made it sound harsh, and I didn't do that.
Now y'all see his cousin. He know Carlos up here lying.
Oh shit!
That's the cousin. He can't. He's like, man, I can't believe this nigga up here lying. That's what the cousin saying.
So we need justice. We need justice to be served too, the truth. And they keep deflecting. I'm just tired of the lies and everything. What they said I did. I know for a fact it wasn't true. I didn't headlock her. I didn't beat her with the door. I only try to diffuse the situation. They keep deflecting away from that. And what I did what they saying I did made it sound harsh, and I didn't do that. So we need justice. We need justice to be served too, the truth. And they keep deflecting from it.
You heard him say that he wants the truth to get out. As for Johnson, she will remain in custody. She is due back in court, I should say, on February 3rd for a status hearing. And of course, we've been following this from the beginning, and we will continue to follow that hearing as.
Dang, okay. You know what gets me every time, y'all?
Go ahead.
Carlos never defends Holly in these interviews.
Never. Please. Listen, y'all better clap for Auntie. Say it again, please.
Carlos never defends Holly in these interviews.
Ever.
He defends himself. He say my truth. He say y'all trying to make him look like a bad person. He didn't do any of them things that y'all said he did. And his truth.
His truth. But he
other interviews. His truth.
He never goes on there and go, Holly's a great person. She would never do something like that. No, she would. It's always no, because I was trying to make sure and keep them apart from each other. I was trying to. I ain't the person that's in.
Exactly. He's a narcissist. He's a narcissist, guys. Carlos is trying to save himself.
That's it.
He's trying to save himself. This man, yes, all about him because he is a narcissist. He is a narcissist, and he has narcissistic ways, okay? Every time he get on the camera, he say his truth.
It's about him.
Yes. He never say, you know, I wish it wouldn't have happened. She came and she tried to attack Holly. None of that. He don't say Holly shot her in the fence. None of that.
Never heard it.
On himself. Because
but his friend does that too, though. If people really pay attention, his friend speaks more on ill stuff on Romika from what I've heard.
Yeah.
Speaks on Carlos. He never speaks on the good, you know what I'm saying? The extra. It's always Carlos. No, Carlos did the right thing. Carlos, whatever. Carlos. Yeah. Oh, Romika, she was mean. She was angry. What y'all talking about?
So she deserved to be shot down.
No, she didn't.
In the streets like a fucking animal. No, she didn't have no weapon.
Oh, Jesus
At one point, she was standing like this. Okay.
Yes, which meant, bitch, I'm not studying you.
Yeah, because Holly is a bomb. Okay, Holly is a bomb. So she don't even see her. All right. The baby is already born. You know what I'm saying? Like what? I mean, they got a baby together. So why they think Romika want to fight this girl? The baby is already born.
But that's the part that gets me. Holly said in her own video, she would never want to see or want to be around a child that my boyfriend had on me or whatever it was. She said, not verbatim words, but she said, and Carlos and his friend admitted on the panel that Romika let the son go with them. So if she was so jealous, so mad, so angry, why let my child go spend time with his?
Exactly. Just like we seen him pushing the baby and had a little boy pushing the baby.
Let me put these back on.
Girl, put them glasses on. Okay, put them motherfucking glasses on.
Auntie.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna put on my shades.
Look, put your shades on, Auntie. I probably need to go get mine.
Come on,
this really is. Can we read this for what it really is?
Let me find my motherfucking shades.
Get the shades, Auntie. Y'all, these my reading glasses. I got older. I be needing to listen. But we got to call it for what it is. If she was so mad, so angry, so upset about this baby, why let her son go with his father and Holly? The father admitted it, that she let the son come up to the front door, knock on the door. When he opened the door, she pulled off. I don't want to deal with y'all. I don't want to deal with y'all, but I'm letting my son go. So if I'm that angry, I'm that jealous, I'm not going to let my son go with y'all. The baby here, what I'm mad about? Hell, he got to take care of his damn baby. I ain't got to take care of it. What would Romika have to be mad or jealous about? The only person who would have any type of anything in the game would be the female that's still with him, that has to deal with him still being with his baby mama, taking family pictures and all this stuff that she wanted to do. That's the only person. But they're like, oh, she was just so angry, so mad. Well, then why change her number? Why change her address and not give it to him?
Right. Exactly. Oh, Karen, you got some shade?
None of that makes sense. Y'all like, people got to make this make sense, not what they want it to be. Really follow the evidence, follow what's going on. You got them.
Yeah, I found it. Let me clean them off. Keep talking, baby.
Exactly. And that's the thing. He didn't spec at first. He did not claim her or that baby with Romika on the phone, and he leaked that video. Okay. He did not claim, okay? But once he did, after it was over, she was letting them get her son, y'all. People got to really look at exactly what, like, you know how they say, look at the semantics, look at everything that was going on. Everything that was going on. How can y'all say she was the jealous one?
Right.
Y'all can't say that. Like, come on. That's crazy. Like Keith said, that's crazy word. Oh, for real, y'all, listen. A person cannot say, any baby mama that start letting their baby daddy start getting their child while he has a newborn and the child is hanging out with the other whoever, don't care, y'all. We gonna be there. She done got to a point, but she don't even care. Know why? Because she know more than likely if she want him, she can have him.
Okay.
She don't care at that point. No one wants to acknowledge those points. Everybody just want to say, this is what it was. This is what it is. This is what happened. When it was two people there, she pulled up for him. I don't believe not damn day that she pulled up for that girl. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. That's why him and her fault. Or they got into it. That's why he put hands on. Okay, girl, you gonna make me go get the dark shades. Auntie, don't make me go get
Let me tell y'all something. Okay. I'm finna tell y'all something.
Let's go.
Lisa didn't want Carlos no more. Okay? That's why she let her baby son be with Carlos and Holly. Okay? And he the one was running behind Romika, telling them lies.
Thank you.
That's why she always say, why you lying? Why you lying? He kept telling them girl lies. And Carlos even said at one point, his sister was keeping little Los, right?
Go ahead, Auntie.
But he wanted Romika to need him.
So what did
he said that? He said he wanted Romika to need him. Because he would tell her, I'm not going to keep the baby. So she started having his sister keep the baby.
Because she changed her what?
Number and her address.
Changed her what? And he didn't know where she lived at.
He said he didn't know where she lived.
He said that on the panel.
He said he didn't know where Romika lived.
He said that on the panel, y'all.
Hey, gossip and giggles. Hey, baby. Hey, Yvette. Hey, Brandy.
On a panel. He said, listen, he said that out of his mouth.
Out of his mouth.
On a panel, and people, and he.
What did he say, honey?
He said he did not have her phone number. He did not know her address, and he was trying to figure out how she going to work and who got his son. Then he found out that his sister was babysitting for her, so he wanted her to need him. So he told her, "Well, why you keeping him? I need her to reach out to me. She won't call me." Who is the problem?
Carlos. Carlos is the motherfucking problem, and he's still around here being a fucking problem. He say he tried to deflect and diffuse.
This is too easy.
Yeah,
it's too easy.
Okay, cause see, Holly finna hold on.
What happened?
Kareem Akbar.
Hold on.
Look at it.
Look at
Kareem Akbar. That's right, the educated brother from the bank. He's the real head of the CMB, the brains behind the whole thing. I told you, this thing is bigger than Nino Brown, and I gotta listen. If I'm going down, I'm taking a whole lot of
is Nino Brown.
Everybody gone.
Kareem Akbar.
Everybody gone.
That's right, the educated brother from the bank. He's the real head of the CMB, the brains behind the whole thing. I told you, this thing is bigger than Nino Brown, and I gotta listen. If I'm going down, I'm taking a whole lot of people.
She taking Carlos with her, trust me. If she don't kill him first, Holly taking him with her. She's not gonna go down by herself.
By herself.
Okay?
Y'all,
this thing is bigger than Holly, and for real it is.
She ain't going down by herself.
Sure ain't. Period.
Not going down by herself. I'm having.
Say, come on, Auntie.
Look, I'm gonna get Lay to go get my Lay. I need my dog shades. I need my dog shades.
Common collector say he's still walking around trying to diffuse. Stupid ass. Yeah, he's a stupid ass.
Yes.
That's what the fuck he is.
Go
back. Leslie. They say little Leslie. I ain't see her. Hey, little Leslie. Hey, justice for loved ones.
I can't see her.
I can't either. But yeah. Carlos.
Let's see.
You going down, bro.
Yeah.
You going down because you know what you did, and you know what when they dump that phone on messages. That's why he's saying his truth don't get out.
But you know what? They depend on those burner phones. And that's the part that's going to get them. When people investigate, especially for this type of case, y'all see it on First 48 all the time. People get rid of them burner phones.
I love you too, Justice for Loved Ones. Yes.
Listen, people get them burner phones and think they can discard them and nothing's going to happen. But by the time they finish their full investigations, they know what store they was bought from, who was using them, what was
Girl, come on. They don't know which Walmart they went to buy that dope boy phone.
Especially for Miss Ari, who said she got a text from a burner phone.
I can't believe a lawyer would do that.
An attorney, but
I can't believe that. I swear to God, I can't believe an attorney would put that in the paperwork.
That she got a text from a burner phone.
She's a thug. I know a thug when I hear one. That's a thug. Ari is a certified thug. She's a licensed thug.
Something's going on.
For her to say that someone anonymously text her
from
what did they text? I forgot. What she said?
Two females was out there fighting.
Now she know that was Carlos texting. She know that. Girl, get the Sorry with that bullshit. I never seen that before though with a lot.
I haven't either. I've never seen that. And she came on the case after December 4th.
Came on the case after.
And now all of a sudden she got a text from a witness don't want to be seen or heard. They came behind the witness.
So why bring it up?
It can't be omitted. So she brought it up. It's like a paperwork.
In court. She can't even use that in trial. So why even put it in the lady put it in the paperwork? You understand me?
I cannot believe
she put it in the paperwork.
You're right, Brandy. He couldn't take the fact that she didn't want him.
Right. He couldn't.
He couldn't take it.
He couldn't take it. See, Holly too easy for him.
Yeah.
Holly let everything go. She don't fuss. She just glad to have him.
Any way she can have him.
Any way she can have him.
And she
don't want
that phone call.
Huh?
She proved that on that phone call. When she was on the phone with Romika and him and Romika were in the bed at the birthday, she proved that at that moment that it's okay. I have you whenever I can get you. It's okay. Come whenever you're ready.
Yes. Don't no nigga want nothing like that. That easy.
None.
When she in jail, she gonna serve by 40 years, okay? So she already in some shit. And this nigga is in Texas on spring break with another female.
Having fun.
And then on her birthday, she gonna request love on the run.
There got to be. I'm really starting to.
You know, I'm a pop it.
IQs and everything at this point.
Yeah, because like, first of all, the nigga, I'll be so mad. When I tell you, when I find out that nigga in Texas on spring break with a female that he was messing with already,
and I'm locked up, and I'm locked up,
can't get out,
and they won't let me out.
They won't let me out, nigga. Listen, motherfucker, I'm gonna be mad. And ain't nothing gonna get me right.
Very.
Yeah, she retarded. She retarded. That's the only thing I can say. She retarded.
What?
Huh?
What?
Retarded.
Them shades done took you. I gotta get on your level.
What are your shades at, nigga?
I'm finna get them because I gotta get on your level.
Yeah, she retarded.
I'm finna go. Look, y'all, I'm finna go get them because I gotta get on her level.
Like, for real, y'all in jail, about to go to prison, and your nigga, the nigga that you killed for, is on spring break with a bitch that he used to mess with that you know about, and you gonna be cool about that? That girl is retarded. Okay? She's fucking retarded. That's what she is. I'm telling you. Ain't no way. He couldn't even call me no more. However they doing it now, you got to call them. I don't know. They got tablets and shit. His number would be blocked. And I would be asking to speak to the prosecutor. I know that's motherfucking right.
Where we at?
We out here talking about something. I told them that if that was me in jail and he on spring break, I'm gonna ask to speak to the prosecutor.
I don't need a prosecutor. We digging tunnels around this motherfucker. Okay? If I done took somebody out of here for you,
nigga,
and you ain't made your way to me every week.
Well, they say he can't see her because he's witness one. Is that true? I don't think he can go visit her.
He's on her call log.
He is on her call log.
So why he can't see her? If he's on the call log.
Well, fuck, he can go see her then.
Because if you're a witness, you're a witness. You ain't supposed to be on phone calls either.
Yeah, so why he ain't, and now this is what the family said from Romika Meek's side. They said Carlos ain't been to no more hearings. Oh, they said he ain't been to no more hearings, and they ain't gonna lie about that.
He fine. He fine. Yeah. Look, everybody in the chat go put on your shades. We got
call cursing. Shit, I'm about to go put on my shades. Yeah.
Look, go put them on. We about to block all this out. We can
block them motherfuckers. Okay, now Ashley Boy Mom says she'd be okay with the games he plays. She too gullible. Yeah, she gully.
Yeah.
Shaking my head. Real women ain't going for them games.
Nah.
Brandon say, I hope Holly stays in jail, but if she gets out, she better be careful. Girl, they say Carlos will set her up too. It's a lot of thirsty females out here just like her.
Listen.
And Spec say we ride for justice. Listen.
We ride for justice.
We riding come sun up. We gonna be out there. Okay? Yeah. We riding.
We ride.
We gonna ride.
All the shades in the chat.
Yes, I love it. Yvette got her shades on.
Yes.
Ashley Boy Mom got her shades on. William Patterson got her shades on. Vera got her shades on. Yeah. Oh. We some real motherfuckers over. We some real ass niggas over here.
Oh, listen. You know we from fucking God.
Yeah, we some real ass niggas over here, baby. We ain't no evil, fucked up motherfuckers. We some real ass niggas.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Tell it like it is, and we're gonna have fun.
We're gonna tell it like it is, and we're gonna ride.
Yeah.
We're gonna ride. Like George Bush say, ride that horse. And we're gonna ride.
And it got her shades on.
Got her shades on. Granny got her shades on. Oh, Ashley Grandma finna go put her shades on. Listen, y'all.
Listen. The prosecution got their shades on. They ain't none of that.
They ain't seeing none of that shit. Well, I wrote. They say they ain't see. Listen, and they ain't hearing none of that shit that the court said. They said, "Fuck no."
They're fighting.
Hold up, boy.
What you doing? They're fighting to the end, and I love it. Like we said before, we ain't here to go. Oh, this is what's gonna happen.
Her shades on. Go ahead, babe. What you say?
We're not saying this is 100% what's gonna happen. Oh, this person doing this. No, we're not. We're saying all the pros and cons of the situation.
Exactly. And they ride. Okay, they riding, y'all. I'm telling y'all, the prosecution, they ride.
Yeah,
they ride. You hear me?
Like, you know,
I'm proud of them motherfuckers. They is
like they act like you got on some skates. That's how they out here skating.
They say I think we 10 toes down with both feet on the ground. We with you. Yes, and little Leslie. Little Leslie, justice for loved ones.
Oh, that's like
okay.
Oh.
And Virtuous got her shades on. Yeah. Yeah. We own that.
Exactly.
We own that. Yeah, we own that real bad. Real bad.
Yes.
Like, so you want that? I got that.
I got
you understand me? I got that. Yeah. Yeah.
You don't want that.
You don't want that. You don't want that.
Just like we don't like Yolanda who?
Yeah, the one that killed Selena. Selena was so
cute. We never liked her.
Yeah, Yolanda. She was a fan.
A fan.
We don't like Holly for doing that. That's why.
Yeah.
We don't, and she don't have no remorse. That's what I don't understand that shit. Like this girl act like she had went in the store and stole something. She don't even act like she killed somebody.
Exactly. She don't act like that. She does not.
She don't. This girl act like she went and stole some candy out of the gas station.
Yes.
She don't act like she killed nobody, y'all. I'm telling you.
Don't.
That nigga was standing like this on the phone. Romika was feet away from her.
And if it was self-defense, you still would have some.
Yes. I'm telling you, I know cops that have cried. They didn't want to have to kill that person. But shit.
That was
not either them or them.
Exactly.
And they had remorse even for saving themselves, y'all. They still felt bad. Holly don't feel bad. This nigga was on TikTok requesting love on the run.
In jail.
In jail.
That's crazy. That is crazy. That's crazy.
Lex got her shades on too. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this nigga don't have no remorse. And that's the scary part. That's the most scary part. Because that means she'll do it again.
Yes, without
again.
Without thinking about it.
Without thinking about it. So if they let her out, she gonna think that she won the trial. Because this bitch don't know if she coming or motherfucking going. Mm-hmm. All right? She don't know if she motherfucking going. If they let Holly out, Holly gonna think she won the trial. She gonna think she won the trial and won. That's how fucked up she is. And her auntie is fucked up because her auntie was over there and seeing little Amir picture on that lady's shit and then saying that you don't want Carson on nobody's shit. Why you ain't say nothing about little Amir on there, nigga? No, like for real. Leave those kids out of it, bro.
Yeah.
Even when I posted a picture of Romika with a little boy, it was an AI with the head turned and the baby had dreads. It was not Amir. Yes, it was her hugging a boy with dreads, and it was the head was turned.
Wow.
Yeah.
What did you say? Didn't she go live wearing pink when they did Meek's visual? She was celebrating with her cup up. Really?
Who
did that?
Miss Nigga did that?
Who did that? Oh my gosh.
Too much. That's fucked up, man.
Somebody did that, girl. This is demonic.
This is demonic.
No, someone did that for real. No, for real.
I don't know.
They let her out. They all regret it.
There's a video. Who did it?
I don't remember. She had on a pink shirt laughing.
That's crazy, man.
They said how
you had on a pink shirt? How? In jail?
No, they said when they did Meek's visual. This was after she killed her, when they let her go. They're saying this.
I do remember that. I do. I do, yes.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yep. She had on pink, and then she came over with some overalls on, talking about, yeah, they're family. Like, this lady ain't act like she ain't kid. Like, she act like she went and stole some candy out of the gas station.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. I do remember that. Listen, that nigga don't need to get out. Okay?
No. Okay, but listen, Auntie, like, I gotta take my shades off for this. For real. Like, I'm gonna be serious for real.
Okay.
She did that. That shows some type. Is it an imbalance or something? No, I'm being for real. And y'all, nobody would know.
She's a sociopath. Okay, she has no feelings for anything.
They say it's on Key's page. I'm gonna have to go look that.
I saw it. It's horrible. The girl act like, I'm telling you, the girl she's like, I think she's a sociopath. She's a psychopath, okay? And she retarded. Like, how you retarded and you a sociopath and a psychopath and retarded?
That would scare me to have her. I mean, and I'm not saying, I know she can love her son too, but that is it something not, you get what I'm saying? Like, she don't even
love her son. She don't even, like, I'm telling the lady thinks I don't know if she.
That's not right.
You don't even see her sad about missing her son. She's not even sad. She's not.
Auntie La Leslie answered you in the chat. Why I can't see her? You see her?
What is she?
She in the chat?
Where? Under what? La Leslie's Philly girl? I don't know.
I don't see Philly girl. Okay, I see a Philly girl. It was a party bus, I believe. Is that La Leslie?
Which one is Auntie La Leslie under? I shouldn't be calling her Auntie because I'm probably older than her.
They talking. It say they can't hear anything. Are we talking?
Where you see that?
Oh,
that's it for loved ones. They can hear us. Oh, what's she saying?
Okay. I ain't see her. Oh, I see her now.
Where?
Yes. She said, yes, that's true. She's on her. That when they say there's a video and all that stuff of her having the pink, if you go down under spec, what spec say that part, and then Cole say yes for real.
Oh, there we go. There go Auntie Leslie.
Oh, hey,
yeah, it's true. I seen it too. That girl did not care.
She didn't. Oh, I know what. Seriously, and you know, I will research all the case details. I honestly don't go looking for the messy parts of things, so I don't get to see that. But I am really
that nigga crazy.
Believe.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. She don't want her out the way. You know that.
Out.
Carlos still wanted her.
Yeah.
He still wanted Romika. So, old girl, she said, I'm gonna get rid of her. She's been planning this for months. That's why
from the facts of the case, she's definitely been planning this since December with them pictures. Okay.
Me here. I know that's right, baby. Yes, honey. Listen, we riding that Dawn. Okay?
Look at Dawn.
Dawn. We riding that Dawn, honey. We gonna ride that shit. Listen, when I tell y'all
retarded, oh God, listen, let me take that back because y'all know I got business. You can't come after me allegedly, but this mud here,
that motherfucker is crazy.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we ride not. We gonna ride, baby. Hey. And the prosecution know they ride. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm so proud of them niggas. I don't even know what to do. They
The thing that tripped me out though, it was so funny because soon as we said that on Tuesday,
yep.
Like
you said it because I didn't even know about no state.
Because I just researching it, but I'm like, then they like, oh, that can't happen. They done made it happen already. I'm like, they can.
I'm so happy, y'all. Listen,
very, very,
I told y'all, I say we gotta keep it together.
Look, girl say the prosecution said, hold my bill.
Okay. They said, hold my motherfucking beer.
I'm telling you.
They said, not on my motherfucking watch.
Listen, not
and they're gonna be asking where that boy at. Carlos, they gonna get you, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. Like you out here doing too much retarded shit, nigga. Yeah. Nigga, protect all your children. Nigga, tell that Miss Nigga to take that shit down. Miss Nigga.
I gotta be my auntie, y'all. Come here. Miss who?
Miss Nigga.
Oh, we'll talk.
Don't say it no more. Okay.
We'll talk about it offline.
Justice for Romika. Justice for Romika.
Oh my gosh. That's so crazy. Her got the nerve to say Romika was could jump out with a weapon. No, she didn't.
No,
that's
she did
not. At the end of the day, she wasn't
her. She was one time they said Romika was like this, and I don't see Romika stand like this on her videos when she be dancing.
Yeah, know why? She was unbothered. She didn't feel like. Listen, if she wanted to do something, she'd have did it when she got out the car.
Yeah,
I don't know how many times we got.
Nobody just gonna. If somebody on go, they gonna jump out on go.
You turn and I jump out my car. It's gonna be a whole different video.
I'm gonna be hitting that. I'm gonna hit the nigga and the female.
Everybody going down.
Everybody gonna get hit. And matter of fact, somebody said that little Carson need to go to jail too.
Oh,
that's what they say. They say the baby need to go to jail.
Oh, don't put the children in.
I didn't say that. That was somebody else said.
I know you wouldn't. I know you wouldn't.
They said it because he was there. Hey,
he was there like his daddy.
They said he was there.
Wow,
but yeah, Matt. You know, on a real note, y'all, the kids need to be left out of it. You know what I'm saying? Like on a real note, leave them kids out of it.
Yeah.
Don't be putting them kids up there on the damn social media. Both of them kids have losses. Exactly. Both of them. Both kids have a loss.
I'm not.
The daddy ain't shit. Okay.
Thank you. I'm not laughing at what you said, but why, honey? I just say the baby didn't even.
Girl, look.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, y'all.
You probably the one that said that shit, Philly girl. She said, okay. I'm done.
No,
we're not doing that.
This is the.
Listen, y'all.
No, but
we don't have fun tonight.
We have.
My stomach sore. I wasn't even supposed to be talking this much.
Auntie had surgery yesterday, y'all.
I had surgery yesterday.
Auntie was a trooper tonight, y'all.
And I got 4 holes that they went through. They did it with the robot.
Oh, they did the robotic.
Yeah. They fucked me up. Then they gave me some medicine, right? And I don't know what them niggas gave me, but I ain't feel nothing. I didn't even know they had done the surgery. I swear to God. Then they put this green bracelet on me, y'all. I'm gonna tell you what they said. Y'all can't see that it's green because it's it's green. They said when they said keep this on for 3 days because we gave you some medicine that everybody need to know about if you was to go to the hospital.
They gave you some good stuff.
Yeah, they say they need to know that this is in your system. Like if you come back, I promise you, they said don't take this bracelet off. They said because if you go back to the hospital, people need to know we gave you this medicine.
You gotta be careful. Listen, I'm gonna thank y'all too. We still talking, but Auntie got 140 in the chat and 129 thumbs up. Look, thank y'all for support.
Thank y'all so much. We appreciate that. Yes, I had fun. Look at 71 say she had to fall out the bushes.
Hey, come out the bushes. That's what we love.
Somebody say, "Oh yeah, it's a nurse. Don't have that off. They gave you something strong." Yup.
Auntie
they gave me some fentanyl, baby. They sure did, and they said keep this on for 3 days. They said so because if you go back to the hospital, they need to know that we gave you this medicine because it's gonna be in your system for 3 days. That must be why I'm still walking around here strong. Okay, I don't been outside. I don't been driving.
In pain, y'all. Auntie done been outside.
Sure have. Driving, sending off packages, buying shit. These people don't gave me some shit that turn you into a motherfucking robot. Okay? I don't know. Listen, they say don't take this off.
They say that's a narcotic ban, Auntie.
Oh, it's oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I didn't even know it. Oh my God, I got on a narcotic.
That's why y'all.
If I fall out, they know to give me some Narcan. Oh my God!
Look, y'all,
that's why I've been running around here.
That's why she been saying all kind of shit. Y'all got to give it to her.
They said they gave that feel good. Ashley Boy, I swear I was outside, and I just had surgery yesterday, and my children was like, "Mom, what? Like you need to, rest." That's what they told me. But I can't rest. I keep moving.
Listen, y'all. When she got out of surgery, getting in the car, saying to her auntie, "Get your rest. I will talk to you later." She's talking about now. I need to know what happened. Get off this phone.
I don't even remember getting in the car.
She was trying to stay on the phone, y'all.
Girl, I don't even remember going home.
A mess.
Oh, so that's what this is. A narcotic. Oh, and I've been all out to the store. They probably saying that junkie. And they got the date on here. They say I can't take this off till the 26th. That's what the date say, the 26th.
Not they called you a junkie.
Yeah, the people going around saying it's a narcotic ban, and the folks see me with this. I don't been all out. That's why I need to. Them people told me to stay home. Yes. I should have listened.
Keep your behind. Yes.
I'm not going outside no more till this shit come off. Cause they said it's right there. Say the 26th. Not on a narcotic ban. I didn't even know it, y'all. I swear to God, and I'm a nerd. I didn't know. I promise you. I just thought maybe I was like, okay. And I'm thinking maybe I don't know what them niggas gave me, right? But they gave it to me at 11:50. They got the time on him.
What the things I gave Auntie, y'all? Listen, I had that robotic surgery. They didn't give me that band, Auntie.
They didn't give you this band?
No.
Baby. And they got it right on her. They gave me the medicine at 11:50. And they said, don't take it off till, well, they say 4:26. So if anything happened, it's still in my, so that's why I'm doing good, y'all, because this don't come out till 4:26. I really have been outside. I ain't even gonna lie. I've been driving everything.
Because Auntie ain't sat down for real. She ain't sat down for real. They say, woo, I ain't laughed this hard all week. Oh, good. Listen, we love to make people feel good, though, for
yes,
real.
We do, child. I didn't know I was high all day. That's why I've been running around. And my kids said, Mom, lay down. You just had surgery yesterday. I swear to God, I've been gone. Out the motherfucking house, driving and shit. Out there, high as a kite, I guess. I don't know what them niggas gave me.
You probably had local robotic surgery. Yeah, I did.
Listen, Beck say, get some rest and heal.
I done asked her, but Auntie was listening. When we got that news today, Auntie was ready. Auntie was like, no, we going live.
We got to go live.
I say, Auntie, you sure? She told me, no, we got to go live.
Yeah.
I said, let's get our pink together.
Yep, because she said, I'm wearing pink. I said, shit, I'm finna go to Goodwill and get me some pink.
Yeah, I put on 3 different pink tops trying to figure out which one I'm going to go with. But I say, nah, you know, I'm just
Yep. I got this pink shirt from Goodwill and this cowboy hat from Goodwill. I said,
cowboy hats, for real.
Yep, from Goodwill, honey. I'm telling you, I was everywhere with this damn green band on.
I cannot believe
I'm not going nowhere else. Not with this shit on. Niggas think I'm a junkie.
They come look, you have people in the store just in case. Let me put this behind my back just in case I gotta resuscitate.
And I'm just smiling and shit and pushing the cart and shit. Yeah. And people like, damn, this crazy. I got a green band on.
She just got out of the facility because that's what I was thinking.
You know what? And I'm thinking I'm doing good, right? I'm like, I'm doing good because I was scared because of my age, you know, to have surgery. And then, you know, it's kind of, if you older, it takes a longer time for you to heal. So I'm thinking, yeah, I got to keep moving around. And I'm doing it. I don't been outside and shit. And knitting, I just thought, I don't know what I thought. Probably they gave me some kind of, I didn't know. They just said, don't take it off. The niggas ain't say why. They say, don't take it off. Because they need to know that it's something we gave you, right?
Yes.
I didn't know.
Oh my gosh. And the cold person talking about they going to be saying she looking for a fix. Hey, when the dealer come up to her, I don't want to even look surprised.
I did have a yellow band on me for fall wrist. Now they said I could take it off. I took off the yellow band and my name band. I did have a yellow band, so I took those off. They specifically said, do not take this green band off for 3 days because we gave you something that the people need to know about.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We had a good time. Thank y'all so much. If y'all ain't got no memberships, grab them memberships, baby. Listen, grab those memberships. I appreciate the ones that's bought into the memberships. I appreciate the super chat, super stickers. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all hitting the like button.
Yeah, I try to go live with Auntie at least. You try to go live at least once a week.
Yeah, once a week. We come on out here. Okay.
So y'all subscribe, please, and get
just like
get Auntie channel growing because tonight we put them shades on.
Let me do a Romika dance. Hold on.
Look, look like this.
Yes, honey. All right, y'all. Justice for Romika. I love y'all so much. And thank you, T. You always come through for your auntie.
I love you, Auntie.
I love you too. I'm going to call you a baby.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Love y'all.
Love y'all.